everyone, how you doing today? I'm here again to show you with another video how to replace your keyboard for your gateway laptop. First thing first, you want to flip it over to your laptop, remove the battery by sliding this orange cover towards the fan, unhook the battery, flip it over. Next, you want to remove all the screws for the service cover at the bottom, including the screws on the front, which are right there. Don't remove the corner ones. Once you loosen up the screws, you want to grab your screwdriver, put it right on top here where the gap is, and then lift up the cover slowly. Just wiggle it around, it will come out eventually. Once you got your cover out, you want to remove this screw only, because you want to remove this one and this one, I'm guessing, because these are for the keyboard. Okay, the keyboard. Once you remove these two screws, I'm hoping that I don't have to remove this one. But let's see what happens. Once you remove these two only, you want to flip over the laptop, open the screen. Now, what I really recommend you guys to find yourself, it's a guitar pick, a metallic guitar pick, and you're gonna stick this guitar pick right on top of the escape button. Right where the escape button is, you're gonna see this kind of plastic secure lock right there, and there's another one right there, one more right there, and there, and one right at the other end. What do you want to do? You want to grab your guitar pick and you want to stick it right there, and then slide it towards the lock and just push it up a little bit. And you might want to work with two of these. I usually start from the middle, so do that, and then put the screw right underneath, or you can just put a plastic so you don't scratch it. So next, you want to keep unhooking all the secure locks in every one of those. Okay, just like that. You just have to push the lock towards the screen. There. Once you do that, you're gonna lift the, I'm guessing we have to remove, because this side is already loosened up. This side is already up. This side is not coming up because there is a screw right there. So we're gonna flip over and remove that screw, which is right here. And this is what I don't get. If they're gonna put a kilo here for keyboard, why they don't want to add one right over here? So we know that that's for the keyboard too. So remove this one. Removing that one, now the keyboard should come out very easy. So there we go. I was right. Once you lift up the keyboard, just flip it over. Oh, actually there was only two of them. Anyway, so now we remove these two screws. What do you want to do? You want to remove the ribbon cable for the keyboard, which is just right here. This ribbon cable, you can't just yank it out. You have to lift up this white cover secure just by lifting in 90-degree angle. And now you can slide down the ribbon cable. Alright, and that's how you replace your keyboard. And you're gonna grab your new keyboard. You're gonna put it just like that. Flip it over. Bring it close to the secure lock. Grab your ribbon cable. Make sure your lock mechanism is open already. And you're gonna slide down the ribbon cable right inside. Make sure it's tight. Hold it with one finger, and with the other hand you can just close the lock. Now we only remove two screws. We only needed to remove two screws to remove the keyboard. One was the last one we did, and the other one was right by where the CD-ROM was. So now we're gonna put the bottom side of the keyboard down first. And next, what I recommend you guys put your finger in the middle and give this kind of curvature, so you can put these locks on the side first, and then press down the top side. Once you did that, just close screen, flip over, and down here we only needed to remove this one and this one over here. You didn't need to remove this one. So I don't know why they put a kilo there. So you're gonna put these screws back in. Alright, and we are pretty much done. You're gonna grab the bottom cover. Once you grab the bottom cover, you wanna put the front end of the cover in first. Make sure that's very important. Put the front end down first. There, while you hold the front end, push down where there's no screws, push it in, push that side, and push right here in the corners and this side. And now you can go ahead and tighten all the screws. And right after that, you want to grab your battery, put it the back end down, and then push it down. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. And I'll appreciate if you guys subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos and take requests. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next video.